to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this Greenote True HEPA Air Purifier. This is a really awesome room air purifier. It is suitable for multiple locations. Your living room, and you can see right here, it lets you know before using the product, take it out of the plastic bag, obviously, and it shows you how you use the filter. So we're going to take this off, and you can see right here, you've got the bottom, you twist that, and here you go. Here's the filter, so you need to take that out of the bag. This is a replaceable filter, and you see you've got this outside nylon layer, and then you've got, inside of here, you've got your HEPA, and then your carbon filtering. So and then you can see the fan is up in there, and you've got the honeycomb design. So pretty simple setup. So you twist that and lock it into place. Easy peasy. You do have these nice foam feet on the bottom, so that'll keep it nice and quiet and keep it from vibrating or making any extra noise. And you see you've got your place you plug the power in right back there. And nice looking design. And very simple, very compact, but really packs a powerful punch. And yeah, it looks to be a really great product. So let's check it out in action. So this is the Greenote air filter, and operation is fairly simple here. You've got your very subtle little LEDs that let you know what it's operating at. Your power button is right here in the center, so you hit that to turn it on. Your LED indicators here let you know what speed you're on, and then to change that you hit the fan level here. Right now there's two lights, so it's on the medium speed. If I hit that, now it's going to be on the high speed, and if I hit that again, now it's going to be on the low speed. Now you do have a timer. If you hit that timer, you can see it lights up to let you know that's 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. So if you set that, it'll run for that length of time, and then it'll turn off. Hit it again, and it turns off. So really nice, subtle LEDs, not too bright, but easy to read and know what mode it's in, which is great. Now, one thing I love about this air filter is how small it is. I mean, it's big enough to clean up to about a 400 square foot room, but it's small enough and compact enough that you can sit it anywhere. You can put it on a kitchen counter and help eliminate the odors in the kitchen. You can put it in the living room where my dog is and help make sure the pet dander is not an issue, that it's helping to keep pet dander out of the air. You can put it in a guest room or a bedroom, on a nightstand even, or on a dresser. It's just really easy to put it on the floor, on a dresser, on a counter. It'll fit almost anywhere and help keep the air clean. Now, one thing that's super cool about this is the night mode or sleep mode, in which case the sound drops down to about 22 decibels and the lights turn off completely. So I'm going to change things out so that you can hear exactly what that sounds like, okay? So let's jump over to that video. So right now I've got this camera about 12 inches, the speaker and the lens is about 12 inches from the top here. And I'm standing behind the camera, so that's the sound you hear now. And hopefully you can hear when you make those changes on there, there's a little ding to let you know that it registered the change. Right now it's on fan level 1, which is very low. I'm going to turn it to 3. Now that's at its highest. Now at its highest, you can certainly hear it. It sounds like a fan running in the background. But now watch what happens when I turn on sleep mode. It's going down to sleep mode. No lights are on, so at nighttime, no lights to worry about. And it's perfectly, barely audible. Just barely, because I'm standing right next to it. You can just barely hear it. Almost inconceivable. Really, really awesome night mode. So you can see night mode is awesome because it's still operating, it's still keeping your air clean, but at the same time it's not too loud and there are no lights, so it won't disturb your sleep. So really awesome that mode is on there as well. And I just really absolutely love this air filter from Greenote. It's great because it can work great in any room. The fact that you do have those 3 standard levels, so if maybe you're cooking something, you need to turn it up to level 3 to help with the odors, or any other reason why you might need to have it clean the air stronger and faster, you have it on level 3. But on a regular basis, you might keep it on just level 1 or 2. Then the fact that you can switch it, hit that night button and switch it to night mode and have those lights cut out when you're sleeping and just have it stay really quiet but still filtering that air and purifying your air with the HEPA filter and the carbon filter, and just making sure that the air you're breathing is clean and fresh. And really, just really excellent product. Nice and small and compact, so that it can go just about anywhere. Whatever room you need to put it in, you'll be able to find a place to put it because it doesn't take up a lot of space, even though it works amazing. So really excellent product by Greenote. Definitely, if you're in the market for air purifier, you're looking for a way to keep the air in your house filtered and clean in a specific room, you cannot go wrong with the Greenote air filter. It's definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. I will have a link to this product on Amazon down in the description below. You can click that link, jump over there, read what other people have said about it, pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, keep up with future videos, or favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.